So this is shape builder tool. Shape builder tool. Okay. So with shape builder tools, you can build different shapes. First, you can build different shapes. Then you can give a unique look to them. Like, for instance, if you create a rectangle and remove the outline, then create ellipse like this, and apply any color, other color, and then move this here, then create another shape, or just make a duplicate by press and hold Option key in Mac and Alt key in Windows, and this one here and also here. Okay, so you have to select all of them. First select all of them. Okay, like this you can, or Command plus A, select all of them like this. Okay, then select shape builder tool. Okay, now press and hold Alt key in Windows and Option key in Mac. Then click. See, this will delete. See. Okay, and then create another like star tool. Like this one. Okay, this is here. Then make duplicate. Now select all of them. Select shape builder tool. Press and hold Alt or Option key in the Mac and delete like this. Even you can delete this one also. See.
Windows Control and Shift. So you deleted it by using
Like this is polygon. So you can select all of them, then select shape builder tool, press and hold Option key or Alt key in Windows, and then click here. The part of the shape which you click, it will delete. Okay, I hope you will try.